Are you tired of constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Say hello to the revolutionary Apple AirTag. This tiny device offers incredible peace of mind, leveraging Apple's ecosystem to ensure you never lose track of your valuables again. Its standout feature is precision finding with Ultra Wideband, which literally guides your iPhone with directional arrows and haptic feedback straight to your lost item. No more frantic searching. You'll be led right to it, down to the very foot, a game changer for finding those elusive items. Setting up your AirTag is an absolute breeze, embodying the classic Apple experience with just a single tap near your iPhone to pair it instantly. Plus, it's built to last, boasting an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, so accidental spills or a little rain are no match for this resilient tracker. What truly sets the AirTag apart from other Bluetooth trackers is its seamless integration into the vast global Find My network, offering unmatched range and accuracy. This isn't just a gadget, it's the ultimate solution for anyone seeking the best way to safeguard their everyday essentials. If you're ready to end the stress of lost belongings, click the Amazon link in the description below to grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack now. For unmatched reliability and a truly user-friendly experience, the AirTag is absolutely the best Bluetooth tracker to buy in 2025.